Hey everyone! Today I'm giving you a quick, honest review of the Yoti app in 2026 and whether it's actually worth your money. So, Yoti is basically a digital identity app that lets you verify your ID, age, and sometimes sign into services without constantly sharing sensitive documents. In 2026, it's still used for online verification, dating apps, and some government or banking checks, and honestly, it works pretty smoothly most of the time. The pros are simple setup, decent privacy controls, and fast verification when it works right. But the downside is that not every service accepts it, and some users still report occasional verification glitches or delays. Also, while the app is free, certain premium identity features can feel a bit limited depending on your region. So is it worth it? If you need a quick digital ID solution, yes, but it's not perfect and depends on where you live. Overall, I'd say it's useful for basic verification and worth trying before committing to alternatives honestly recommended.